Hi, many of you are looking forward to 7 band score in writing, but you have been continuously getting 6.5 band score. So guys, what do you need to do for this? Many of you are not using exact sentence structures, or I would say many of you are not using variety of sentence structures in your writing. So in order to incorporate variety, you need to watch this video in detail. If you are in rush, do not watch this video right now. If you want to get 7 band score, you will have to devote 15 minutes on this. Maybe less than that. Let us get started. Guys, here I am going to explain you this on the basis of causes solution essay. सो कैसे आप एक स्ट्रक्चर यूज करके बैंड 7 लेके आ सकते हो. मैं आपको कोई मेमोराइज लैंग्वेज नहीं सिखाने वाली. अगर कोई सोच रहा है कि मेमोराइज लैंग्वेज है और मुझे ये वीडियो देखनी चाहिए, सो प्लीज डू नॉट वॉच. इंस्टेड मैंने आपको क्या करना है, इसमें आई एक्सप्लेन कि किस तरीके के वर्ड्स, किस तरीके के स्ट्रक्चर, कौन से टेंस, किस तरीके का रूल आप यूज कर सकते हो इन ऑर्डर टू शो वेराइटी इन योर सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल बॉडी पैराग्राफ 1 में फर्स्ट सेंटेंस जो है वो एक सिंपल सेंटेंस है. इन सेकेंड सेंटेंस आई हैव यूज्ड वन कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. इन द थर्ड वन आई हैव अगेन यूज्ड सम शॉर्ट सेंटेंस. फोर्थ conditional sentence, fifth passive sentence, and sixth again simple sentence. So what is this? I have used two simple sentences along with complex, compound and passive structure. And guys, if you are going to follow this, I'm sure you will get your desired band score. The highlighted part needs to be copied. So you can directly write like this and you can just directly use this in the essay. But it should vary from essay type to essay type. If your essay is a causes solution, you can use it directly like this. So first sentence is the underlying reasons attributed to this trend are twofold. So I have said underlying reasons attributed to this trend are twofold. You can directly use this in causes solution essay. Even in agree disagree essay you can use this. So just copy this. The underlying reasons attributed. Instead of attributed, you can also say associated with this trend are twofold. So first sentence is a simple sentence. Coming to the second sentence, in this I have used a complex structure, and with the help of complex structure, I have already mentioned the reasons are twofold. So I am explaining first reason along with explanation with the help of a complex structure. Primarily it is time saving. Primarily it is time saving and convenient. So it is what you are going to give reason. What is it? It is time saving and convenient as people can buy anything ranging from a handheld device to a piece of clothing, all in a single software. So why is it time saving and convenient? First reason is it is time saving and convenient. So if you're giving some reason, give it like this only. It is time saving and convenient. Okay. As you may use this structure as people can buy. With can you are going to use first form of verb. People can buy anything ranging from a handheld device to a piece of clothing, all in a single software. So online, it was talking about technology, the internet. How is it helpful? So what are the reasons attributed to this? Primarily it is time saving. Reasons ki why internet should be used, why technology is beneficial. So if you are giving the reasons, so you can explain it like this. Causes solution, reason solution in some essay like such. Okay. Then in the third sentence I have just given the second reason. Besides this, individual, yes, it is a complex structure, but I have used a short sentence and it also matters. Okay, if you are going, it also matters. So if you are going to look at it, you will get to know. Besides this, individuals are able to find their old companions on social networking websites. So what have I done here? I have stated my second reason with the help of besides this. Besides this, individuals are able to find their old companions on social networking websites. इसके अलावा individuals are able to find their old companions on social networking websites. So this is a short sentence here. Coming to the fourth one. Fourth is a conditional sentence. And what is it? Conditional sentence. In this I am explaining the second point. Conditional sentence, second point. If a person wants, so for conditional what have I used? if a person wants, you can directly use if a person, verb की first form plus s or es. If a person wants to find, with to we always use verb की first form. If a person wants to find his or her school time friends online, he or she would find them easily on Facebook or Instagram. We are not sure कि मिलेंगे या नहीं मिलेंगे, but that's why I have used would. He or she would find them easily on Facebook or Instagram. So would के साथ we use verb की first form. So this is one conditional sentence. Then I have given an example. It has been proven many times. It has been proven many times. Passive sentence. It has been proven many times that old acquaintances are found easily on Facebook by more than 50% of people in the present scenario. So what should happen? The example should be related to the reasons mentioned above or to the topic sentence, then only it will be relevant. And for the passive structure, we always use verb ki third form. We use by as well, and verb ki third form has been used here with are. It has been proven many times that old acquaintances are found easily on Facebook by more than 50% of people in the present scenario. Last but not the least, conclude your body paragraph 1. It is optional, but if you wish to, it is going to help you. This trend as a result has eased the life of mankind. So इस trend की वजह से क्या हुआ है? Mankind की life क्या हुई है? Ease हो गई, easy हो गई है. So that's what I have concluded in the sixth sentence. Now we have structure of body paragraph 2, and what do we need to do here? Body paragraph 2 structure. First, interrogative sentence. Structure of body paragraph 2 में I have just started with interrogative because until now I have not used interrogative sentence. So I want to use variety. I have used simple, I have used complex, I have used short complex sentence, conditional sentence, passive sentence, and here I'll use this. Again, in the simple sentence, last sentence also I have used some variation. This trend as a result has eased. So I have used as a result in between this trend and has eased. So what has happened? I have put comma after this and before this. Has के साथ we always use verb की third form. Now body paragraph 2 where I have to mention some solutions. Are there any measures to combat this problem? For example, we have a problem. ठीक है? So this was one of the reasons. So that you can easily use. Body paragraph 1 you can easily use in agree or disagree essay. ठीक है? If you are totally agree or totally disagreeing, then also you can use the same in this opinion essay, as I have already mentioned. Along with this, you can use the same in mixed essay. You can use the same in direct essay as well. And you can use the same in problem solution as well. If it is discussed both views, then you can say, suppose you are discussing the first point. ठीक है, the underlying reasons behind this, वो यहाँ पे whatever the cause is, you can explain the part. So for example, some people feel obesity is caused due to lack of exercise. ठीक है, so the underlying reasons why lack of exercise is leading to obesity are twofold. You can write like this. For discussion essay, you can use this in discussion as well for body paragraph 1. Now structure of body paragraph 2. Are there any measures to combat this problem? Combat is curb करना, rectify करना, stop करना, slow down कर देना, combat. Are there any measures to combat this problem? Certainly there are. Certainly there are. This is like you need to give the answer yourself. Are there any measures to combat this problem? Certainly there are. First, then we are going to start with, this is the first sentence, interrogative sentence. In the second sentence, simple sentence, first solution. I am going to just state first solution. The potential solution is to aware the citizens of their duties towards the nation. So with to we always use verb की first form. The potential solution is to aware the citizens of their duties towards the nation. Then third sentence in which I am explaining and concluding reason 1 or solution 1 here. Okay, solution 1. More so, the people of any country are not only getting all the necessary things but also high-end medical facilities by the government. Therefore, it is their duty to take care of their own country. More so, what is happening? More so, the people of any country are not only getting, okay, we are the citizens. More so, the people of any country are not only getting all the necessary things, but also the high-end medical facilities by the government. Therefore, it is their duty to take care of their own country. So now what has happened here? Therefore wala structure, semicolon before and comma afterwards. I am using therefore in between two clauses. That's why it is their duty to take care of it. To always verb ki first form. Here I have used not only but also structure. We never put comma in between not only but also structure. More so, the people of any country are not only getting are not only are getting, ठीक है, are not only getting all the necessary things but also the high end medical facilities by the government. So I have explained this and I have concluded with the help of therefore part. Now second solution explanation. Okay, how have I done it? Apart from this, there must be stringent laws for the natives. Apart from this, there must be stringent laws for the natives owing to less fear and respect for law in their minds. Now what do we need to do? Apart from this, there must be stringent laws. Apart from this, इसके अलावा there must be stringent laws for the natives. क्या होने चाहिए? Stringent laws होने चाहिए natives के लिए. क्यों? Owing to less fear and respect for law in their mind. Owing to what? Less fear and respect for law in their minds. इसके अलावा stringent laws होने चाहिए for the natives owing to this. Now there must be stringent laws. Okay, apart from this structure, and there must be, if you want to write something else, you can use something else instead of stringent laws. Okay, now example, here I have used has been plus verb की third form structure. Various studies conducted in the UK concluded that, बिल्कुल same use कर सकते हो. Various studies conducted in the UK concluded that the crime rate has been declined by more than 50% since 2015. Various studies conducted in the UK concluded that the crime rate has been declined by more than 50% since 2015 due to the implementation of strict rules by the legislation. क्यों? Due to the implementation of strict laws by the legislation. जब हम active structure use करते हैं तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? Has plus verb की third form. She has done this work. This work has been done by her. So present perfect के लिए जो passive वाला structure है वो ये है. So in second body paragraph also I have used one passive structure, and when I wanted to state some example. ठीक है? By also has been used here. Now last is simple structure where I have concluded body paragraph 2. Thus the strict laws and awareness campaigns would help in curbing and deterring this menace. So guys, what is this? जैसे I say कि if you are giving your opinion, maintain it throughout the essay. In a similar manner, if you are giving two reasons, maintain it throughout the body paragraph. So at the end, I have concluded in order to show that my two reasons were this only. In order to show, because examiner is checking 300 essays at a time, he'll not be able to understand that you have concluded. It's better you conclude it yourself in order to show coherence in your essay. So guys, just use this structure, use the highlighted part, use this structure, and you can implement the same, incorporate the same structure in almost every essay type. And for that you have to use some modifications, and that is possible. So just follow the same and do let me know in the comment section if it's helping you or not. I know the video was a little lengthy, but इसके बिना ये समझा ही नहीं जाने दी. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you again in the next video of mine. Bye bye.